Hello, my name is Jonna Stark and welcome to Penthouse 1 at 4630 Center Boulevard in Long Island City. Let me first tell you about this great room. 12-foot ceilings, so much space. This is actually one of the largest layouts in the building at 1879 square feet interior. The place is so big that you could have a party downstairs, a dance party, and people could be sleeping upstairs and not even hear a thing. You've got a gorgeous kitchen with the window in the kitchen, which is a huge thing. State-of-the-art, top-of-the-line appliances in the kitchen. That flows into this beautiful, grand, open, spacious room. Spacious and gracious, my friends. 12-foot ceilings, and then of course that flows right out into this beautiful outdoor space where you can entertain, you can grill, you can flower, you can garden, you can have a glass of wine and watch the sunset at night. One of the things you will never forget about this apartment are the views. You'll get some of the most gorgeous sunrises to the east and some of the most stunning sunsets to the west. Another thing I love about this unit is that you get all 4 exposures, and 5 if you count the skylight upstairs. Look how big this walk-in closet is. This would be considered a bedroom in Manhattan. You have a 24-hour concierge for the building, and some of the amenities that are included are pool, rooftop deck with grills, health club and fitness classes. The list goes on and on and on. And I hate to sound like a real estate agent, but location, location, location. This building has one of the best locations in all of Long Island City. It's situated right on the waterfront of the East River, where you have access to beautiful playgrounds and dog runs and a ferry access right out your front door, as well as a state-of-the-art library that's brand new and gorgeous right on the waterfront, and some of the best restaurants in all of New York City. Thanks so much for joining me at 4630 Center Boulevard in Long Island City. I look forward to seeing you at Penthouse 1.